Our sponsors have got a new website, www.pertec.co.uk. Check it out.
Now, if you're working in the waste and industrial space where we need to protect you, the operator, we need to protect the machine, and we need to make sure that these tires aren't being spun off, we've got some industry-first features to help you. Now, the waste handler version of the M Series machines is going to feature a range of high dump and light material buckets, 5 cubic meters in the example we're looking at here. We're going to guard all of the cylinders, both the tilt and the lift. We do offer steel fenders on the front so that you don't tear those fenders off when you're carrying any scrap or material around. Of course, we're going to protect you, the operator, with a night-tight mesh. So if you're doing stockpiling and you've got material coming back down on you, it's small enough that it doesn't come through these and break your windshield. Also, we're going to bring guarding to the powertrain components along the front, along the sides, and along the bottom to keep this machine nice and safe. Now, as we progress further back, high debris packages, we are going to bring a cyclone pre-cleaner so that the engine breathes clean. We are going to bring a RESPA system, which is a powered pre-cleaner for the cab so that your operator breathes clean. And when you go at the highest level of debris package, we're going to bring online a sealed and brushless alternator so your electrics breathe clean. Now, one additional thing that is important to note, to keep the tires on this machine, we know that that's one of your highest operating costs when you're working in this industrial and waste space. The intelligent high-stat powertrain features a wheel torque or rim pull control feature, allowing you to increase or decrease the amount of torque that we're sending to the tires so that you match them perfectly so you don't spin the tires, you keep the longevity, you get the life that you expect out of this CAT equipment. Now, from a fuel burn perspective, this machine purrs at just 1,600 revolutions per minute. That's 30% slower than a lot of the competitors out there. Now, if we spin that engine 30% slower, 30% fuel savings, 800 less revolutions per minute on all of the rotating components in this machine, and it is just whisper quiet. 66 dBs in that operator environment. Typical machine is going to be down near 64. And with that, we can bring things like Bluetooth radios with integrated microphones, USBs, auxiliary hookups, etc., to make that operator station nice and comfortable. Now, in the breathing clean, we are going to pre-screen the air on the back. So when you're working these high debris environments, the subtlety is if small particles can get through the mesh, they can get through the radiators, and they can get back out the side. These machines breathe incredibly clean. Now, to protect you with our stage 4 emission compliant engines, even if you cut the master disconnect off, in the M Series small wheelers, we've got a keep alive system which will guarantee a purge of the diesel exhaust fluid or the DEF even if you turn the master disconnect off. It's designed to manage itself so you don't have to. And just as importantly, the clean emission modules that sits on top of our CAT C7.1 engine is going to automatically regenerate at a low temperature, so there's no elevated risk in this environment. And the clean emission module regenerates real time, automatically, and it does it at a low temperature. There is no burner on this machine. It is a passive style of regeneration. Now, to help you with service, we're also going to bring engine enclosure lights for filling the machine, checking the fluid levels in the engine, and also checking your oil fill. We know you're going to work a lot of hours in these machines. Those extended early starts and late stops, we're going to make you comfortable.
Our sponsors have got a new website, www.pertec.co.uk. Check it out.